Hi there, I'm Rizida and you're watching channel about watercolor and photography. There are 3 ways how to create colors you need in watercolor, and we discuss all of them, including the most sophisticated and controversial. I've chosen 2 colors, green and Meadow Lake Red Light, but you can use carmine as a red one. So I'm gonna create some brownish colors. The first is the easiest for me. You actually mix colors to create a new one. I totally recommend choose transparent colors. The second is more tricky, and it needs transparent colors too. We add color on dry paper over other colors. In this case, I have working with green and Meadow Lake, but traditional way is to put layers of yellow, red and blue. And it's time for the most interesting optical way to mix colors. Actually, there is no mixing at all. You only put colors near one another and then the physics makes things done. For example, look at this. I put only green and red, but it looks like brown. So, in this case, I used layering. The first layer was yellow, the next was carmine, and the third was ultramarine blue. There are other videos about painting and watercolor on my channel. See ya! Bye!